down to the ground.
Good. All right.
Ready?
Go.
Here, look at that nasty water. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Whoa. I'm not gonna touch it.
Don't touch it.
It's all your ball. Oh,
Don't bubbly water.
it's hard.
Shut up.
Whoa! Nate, bro.
That's the sing song?
So,
Yeah, we shouldn't be able to hurt either.
okay, let's face.
I don't mean film my face.
You stuck it in the camera.
Now you gotta open the door. Your little fingers.
Hello. Okay, you go do it. Get it. I got it. I'm gonna get it. Push it out. Hold it. I got it.
Where's my phone? I believe your dad made us put it back down.
Go.
How's she gonna film? Stand right there.
Bug. No, no, we go
You
to...
gotta open it.
Okay, no, you go to climb it. No, she filmed this. I'm walking.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, just go up, pretend you're gonna start to climb it, and she'll... And then we'll cut. She'll climb up and climb down there.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Let's see. I go first.
You going? Are you going? Good. Cut!
Ah! Oh yeah, it looks so cool while you're doing it. Trying to hide how hard it is. Sure.
Okay, let's go. Ow! Follow her.
Full.
Ooh.
Yeah, more ladders.
Oh.
Oh damn, it's gonna be slippery up here.
Oh crap.
You didn't think about that, did you?
No.
Crap, that was a little bit scary.
That's what your mom said when you were born. This isn't properly secured.
No doubt.
Hey, this isn't the right place, Jim.
What?
This isn't the right place.
How do you know?
Because of prophecy.
Oh yeah. My
Dang
bad.
it. You idiot.
We'll come back later because it's cool.
Okay.
Maybe when it's not so scary.
I want to go.
It's the wrong thing, Jim.
Shut up. It's easy to make mistakes in this big city.
This is no big city. Oh. Wait, lead the way, Jimbo.
Told you never call me that.
I'm sorry.
Not Jim Bob. Not since the incident. Don't you ever bring that up again. Or I will throw you down there myself.
I'm sorry.
Shut your face. Face.
I'm sorry, Jim.
Look at the pool.
Okay, cut.